Hello, my name's Kanji Coder. I fucking hate this. Let's go. So in the legal stuff section, we have some illegal monkey wrench macros. Then down in the const macros by system within rule bomb section, we have a bomb diggity tag to find this stuff that we're interested in. Then within data by system, within the rule bomb data, we have a temporary constant here for things that are under construction. Lookup table, v16 bomb value to how far to the left we're going to explode a constant array constructor, 16 elements in our array. First bomb is the nothing bomb. We have no data for spark pins. We only have data for the jacks bombs, the two-way vertical, two-way horizontal, four-way bomb, and then the four-way instant kill. The direction to the left. So these bomb types are going to appear in this position in the next three arrays. I'm not going to mention them in the next three arrays. Okay, and then here is the data for the box bombs. We don't have any data for that. Okay, so lookup table, V16 to how far to the right we want to explode. The nothing bomb, spark pins and laser boxes, we don't have constants for. Here are our jacks bomb constants for exploding to the right. And then box bombs, we have no data yet. V16 to how far upward we're going to explode. We have nothing for spark pin and laser boxes. Here is the jacks bomb data for exploding upwards, and then we have nothing for the box bombs. Lookup table V16 to exploding downward. We have nothing for spark pin and laser box yet. Here is the jacks bomb data for exploding downwards, and then we have nothing for box bombs yet. Okay, so then in bomb simp, this is a monkey wrench macro, and here is a placeholder function for emitting an explosion. Simulate fire, type of bomb, pixel index bomb, pixel index fata. Those parameters appear here in the same order that they appear here. Then in our ticker function for bomb simp, we have kind of tidied up this section. We have a constant for the memory. We have a constant for bomb state 0, bomb is void. And then down here, where we're looping through every single room in the central level pack, I remove commentary on this line because this line is good now. And then right here, blow to hell. So if there's an active explosion here, the bomb type is a non-zero bomb, and the bomb state is not equal to bomb is void, then we're going to prep all the parameters that are going to go into the bomb, the simulation fire function, the type of bomb, pixel index fata, call this function, and that should be it. Yeah, so we need to get the fuck out of here. My name's Kanji Coder. Like, subscribe.